Hello students, welcome to the next module, and in this module, as I promised in the previous module, we will be looking at more text formatting tags. So in this module, we will be going through two text formatting tags. One is the emphasized tag and the second tag is the mark tag. As you're going through this module with me, I request you to also open Notepad and start writing these tags as I am writing with you. So let's get started. I've already created a basic structure on this particular Notepad++ editor which I have opened, and I will now show you the difference of the emphasized tag and the mark tag. And let's do one thing. Let's create a parent tag which is the paragraph tag and use both of our tags as the child tags inside this particular tag. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write down a statement, and what we will do is quickly use the tools, the tags that we have on this particular text. So I have written down this is emphasized text, this is a mark text. Now remember, any tag you open, you have to close that tag also. So I have started a paragraph tag, I have ended the paragraph tag, and let's say inside this emphasized text, I want to emphasize this particular word which I have actually highlighted. So I'll start a EM tag, I'll close a EM tag. Similarly, let's say I want to mark this particular text in my paragraph, I will start a mark text and I will end the mark text using the /mark text. In order to see the output, we'll quickly save our file and we will refresh the web page. So what I'm going to do is refresh the web page, and here you go. So you will see that in the paragraph that I have written, because I'm using the EM tag in before the word emphasized text, you will see this particular text is marked as emphasized. However, the mark text that I have used is now marked with a yellow highlighting. Now you might have a question in your mind. How can we change the color of this yellow text which I have highlighted to blue, or let's say your favorite color red? Do not worry, CSS is there for you. So when we do the CSS module, we will look at how we can actually style our particular text to a different color as per your requirement. So hope this module was clear, and I hope you are comfortable using the EM tag and the mark tag. Strongly recommend you to open a notepad after this module, write down this code and see if you are getting the desired output or not. In the previous module, I have also stressed on the point that please close all your tags. So if you do not close this EM tag, let's say by mistake, and you save your document, you will see that the output is not what you wanted. You will see that the entire text is actually emphasized. So stay tuned with me. We'll continue to enjoy HTML the way we are doing now. Take care. Bye-bye.